Hi, I'm Colleen Elliott, and I teach English 4 at Northwest Classen High School. And today I'm going to be explaining the instructional packet for English 4. Hi, I'm Colleen Elliott, and I teach English 4 at Northwest Classen High School. And today I'm going to be explaining the instructional packet for English 4 for week 3, which will run from April 20th to the 24th. So whether you're picking up one of the packets at the lunch distribution site or whether you're getting online, this week's lessons are going to be looking at the connection between stress and success. Being a high school senior can be a lot more stressful than most people would ever realize. With everything going on in the world, it's got to be. But one thing I can tell you, good news here, is that you still are in charge of your future. So let's take a look at these lessons, because I think you're going to find some things that are going to help you make some decisions. And who knows, you might find something that you're really interested in when you're taking time to read. And remember, you need to be reading 20 minutes a day, every day, because reading will help your skills in language fluency and comprehension. The reading is key to everything. And so if you notice that here, when we start looking at your daily lessons, that reading is one, that activity that we say we're going to do every day, writing an activity for every day. And so these two are connected with the idea of reading about what does success really mean. And so you can look at these two articles, Elements of Success and Fallacy of Success, or you can look at the News ELA pre-selected article, or you can pick one that you're really interested in. So those are there for you. Notice after you are reading that, then you're going to be able to do a reading. You've done your reading. You're going to do a writing activity that collects back to those. It's a quick write. And notice they're asking you to write paragraphs, to do some summaries. Those are things that we've worked on all year. So you're just keeping those skills up, because no matter where you're going, whether you're going to college, you're going to VOTEC, classes next year, you're going to work, these things are going to be helpful. And then your vocabulary. If you'll notice here that it is 1 to 2 activities a week, because it's going to reinforce what you're doing with your reading and your writing. Notice here in bold letters is talking about some words: stress, anxiety, and fear. So use that Venn diagram. Do some soul searching and look at those. Also, ACT, you can still be doing some test prep, get those scores up. And they're not just for college. A lot of times everybody goes, oh, I'm not going to take the ACT because it's just for college kids. No, it's not. It will help you with career choices. If you're going to go to maybe to a VOTEC program, or maybe you're going to go to the military, these are tests that will help you in the future. And it hones in a lot of skills. So I'm going to encourage everyone to do that. Notice there's some TED Talks here. A lot of you already like podcasts, so that's an option. Notice here with the speaking and listening and the multi-model that you have 2 podcasts and the Venn diagram. And if you're a basketball fan, notice they picked one here for Coach Wooden, so you can be looking at that. So it's a tough time right now. We miss seeing you. If you have any troubles with this, you could tap into your teachers. One thing I'm going to remind you is that you can get out of your house at any time using that passport that's called One Card, and that is your card that you can use with the public library. Notice it's right there in the links on the reading. That is a free card to the library. There are no charges for it. You can check out up to 10 things at a time using your lunch number or your student ID, and your passcode or your password for it is your last name. And it's the way your last name appears in the Infinite Campus. So keep reading, keep writing, keep working. If you need anything, I'm sure your teachers would love for you to reach out to them. And have a great week.